Welcome to PTCI's Top 10. Today we'll be discussing 10 of the top myths of all time. Hope you enjoy. Number 10. Chewing gum will stay in your stomach for 7 years. While it is true that you cannot digest the synthetic portion of chewing gum, it does not stay in your stomach. It gets moved into your colon like everything else, and it leaves the same way as everything else. Number 9. Hydrogen peroxide helps heal wounds. This is a horrible myth, because not only will putting hydrogen peroxide on a wound be very painful, but it'll actually make the wound take even longer to heal. Number 8. Bats are blind. Bats are not blind. They actually have pretty decent eyesight. However, no known animal can see in complete darkness, which is why they use echolocation when needed. Number 7. Goldfish only have a 3-second memory. Goldfish can actually remember things for up to 5 months. Number 6. Bananas grow on trees. Bananas actually grow on a giant root-like herb. Additionally, since the banana plant is classified as a herb, that technically makes the banana a berry. Number 5. Vikings wore horned helmets. This is actually a baseless myth. There is no evidence that Vikings ever wore horned or winged helmets. However, other cultures from around the world did wear such helmets for ceremonial purposes. Number 4. Cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. When you crack your knuckles, you are actually just using pressure to pull nitrogen gas temporarily into the joints. That is not really harmful or beneficial. Number 3. The 5-second rule. There is no truth to this. If you drop food on the floor, germs, bacteria, they'll still get on it even within 5 seconds. Just please don't eat any food off the floor. Number 2. Tomatoes are vegetables. Tomatoes are actually a fruit according to science. However, the U.S. Supreme Court disagrees and ruled that the tomato shall be considered a vegetable regardless. Number 1. Napoleon Bonaparte was short. The myth that Napoleon Bonaparte was short stemmed primarily from the fact that he was listed as 5'2" at his time of death in French units. However, in modern units he would have been listed as 5'7", and because humans have gotten taller over the centuries, he was actually taller than most Frenchmen at that time. Thank you for watching PTCI's Top 10 Myths of All Time. Remember to like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.